The 2025 Lexus LC500 Convertible is the epitome of luxury combined with exhilarating performance. Its stunning exterior design showcases aerodynamic curves, highlighted by Lexus's signature spindle grille and sleek LED headlights. With its top-down profile, this convertible demands attention, effortlessly blending elegance and sportiness. Whether parked or cruising on the highway, the LC500 Convertible exudes a bold and refined presence. Under the hood, the 2025 LC500 Convertible is powered by a 5.0-litre V8 engine, delivering a remarkable 471 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, offering a thrilling driving experience for enthusiasts who crave speed and power. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the car's performance is both dynamic and smooth, making it suitable for both spirited drives and comfortable cruising. The interior of the LC500 Convertible is where luxury truly shines. Lexus has designed the cabin with premium materials, including hand-stitched leather seats and polished wood accents. Advanced technology also enhances the experience, featuring a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a Mark Levinson surround sound system, and cutting-edge safety features. Every detail in the cabin is crafted to provide maximum comfort and convenience for the driver and passengers. One of the standout features of the 2025 LC500 Convertible is its ability to open or close its roof in just 15 seconds, even while moving at low speeds. This adds a level of flexibility and convenience for drivers who want to enjoy the open air on a sunny day. The chassis has also been reinforced to ensure stability and balance, so the car feels solid whether the top is up or down, without sacrificing ride quality. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus LC500 Convertible combines power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology to offer a luxury convertible experience unlike any other. With its potent engine, gorgeous design, and premium interior, this car is designed for those who seek performance without compromising on style or comfort. Whether on a coastal road trip or a night out in the city, the LC500 Convertible turns heads and delivers a driving experience that is as exciting as it is refined.